This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got something new. Well, a new version. I have Vite Ramen. This is their soy sauce chicken version 1.1. So what does that mean? Well, they had, the first one I tried was a prototype. And then I tried version 1.0, and this is version 1.0 was the first one they actually sold on the market, and 1.1, which is this, is their first changes to it to make it closer to what they want. It has a nutty scent. And it has 3 minutes to cook. So, yeah, they've changed the recipe once or twice now, and that's pretty cool. I'm down with that. I like when companies try to innovate and change. You know, some products are just like perfect out of the gate. Sometimes they need fine tuning. This one is unique, though, in the fact that it's got tons of vitamins and all this stuff going on. Actually, let me look at the... I threw away the wrapper too soon. Here we go. I mean, you could just go to viteramen.com, but here, let's make sure you can see. But check it out. This is like comparable to what you'll find in a protein drink. Those are all vitamins. And then you've got like protein, 30 grams. That's a lot. There's a lot of good stuff going on here. Tons of fiber. And lower in sodium. If you want it saltier, they told me what you should do if you want it to be saltier, put in a little soy sauce. It'll make a huge difference and make it better. It's like people complaining about that it's not salty enough. It's just like, oh, guess what? You probably do have soy sauce. Perfect. But you know, it's like most people are used to things like Top Ramen and Maruchan ramen noodle soup and things like that, and it's like, it's new, it's different, so I can understand. People just aren't used to it. But I like this stuff. It's definitely not what you're gonna get when you crack open a pack of Top Ramen and cook it up in 2 minutes and 3 minutes. But it's good. The noodles are usually, so from what I've had in the last few, the noodles are very chewy. They're very hearty, rustic. Algonquin. No, not really Algonquin, but... So, 30 seconds remaining, I'll tell you what I've been up to today. So, all these people are dropping out of the primaries. With good reason. I mean, there were 22 people left, and only 10 made the debate that's going to be in the beginning of September. So it's just like, if you can't be seen on the debate, you're probably just not going to be seen, and you might as well run for local office, which is going to have a bigger impact than you can even imagine at this point. Then you're 2%, you know, so sucks, but that's just kind of the deal. And so I've been getting campaign bumper stickers. I don't know, I've kind of got interested in collecting them this time around. So, just like people I've never heard of. It's like, oh, maybe that's why they don't have 2% or 1% or even a percent of a percent. So, we're gonna need some hot water, so I got some in here ready to go. Come on, go, 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 go. And we gotta drain these noodles. Actually, we don't need water from there. Bring Rotato out. Good day, Rotato. And let's drain these noodles. they're really nutty. And our dog is barking. You have no idea how irritated I am with that situation. The dog is barking. The dog is old. The dog is incontinent. The dog barks. The dog can't see. Can't give him crap about that because I can't see. But the dog is old. He's a 16-year-old pug. That's getting up there. And then he like scoots around the crate all night and keeps my wife awake because I'll sleep through anything. And then what else is there? And you know, he's a pug, so on a good day he might smell like wet Fritos. You know, on a bad day, don't even try to imagine it. And his days lately haven't been all that good as far as olfactory. You know, so that means smell. That's what I'm trying to allude to, is he doesn't smell too great. So we've got our powder, we've got our powder, our soup base, our soup base powder, and our oil, and our vegetables. Now we just stir it all up. And when I say hearty, this stuff is like super. It's 500 calories for this right here. But man, I haven't eaten a whole one in a long time. But I should just do a mukbang of eating one of these. I don't know if I would make it through because it's got all that stuff that hits all your satiation receptors. You eat all this and you're like, yes, Kuta, I'm full. So let's give this new version a try. Last time I gave it 4 stars. Curious what the difference will be today. It smells really good. I know it's bone broth. There's a lot of chicken going on with it. Let's give it a try. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. There it is. I was about to kick myself. It's like they sent me Vite Ramen spoons. Look at that. This I do like. Okay. This one, to me, has gone up a notch. I'm going to see how it is with a little bit of soy sauce. While many of you might be worried about sodium, I am not. And I'll tell you why. I don't eat a lot of, like, most of this I'm not going to eat, so it's okay. Somebody has sent me a message on YouTube. It said, the reason you have large shoes, sir, is because you have gout because of all that sodium. Nice. That wasn't a lot of soy sauce either, and that definitely gave it a little more savoriness to it. I'm gonna have one more bite. I'm stoked. Improvement. Very nice. Now let me use my fashionable Vite Ramen bowl on this. See? I'm wearing a Vite Ramen shirt. I'm like, we're not messing around here, kids. Okay. And start out with some mung bean sprouts. I was joking with the guys from this company, saying, you know, what would be kind of neat, because I did that, what do you call it? I did a prison burrito out of Maruchan ramen that you buy in a prison, and I was like, it'd be interesting to do it with this stuff. If you could make like an ultra healthy prison burrito, because I know there's like, a company I won't mention that's trying to like do a more healthy, lower sodium deal for corrections industry stuff, and it's like, but there's that, but what if you did this up and used, like, instead of Doritos and Cheetos, used like blue corn chips and Pirate's Booty or something like that? I don't know. I'm just thinking it might be something that's actually doable. Oh, I better eat this. Well, okay. Where'd it go? Drink. There it is. So this chicken was baked. It was seasoned with this. It's called pepper salt for fried chicken. There you go. Pepper salt for fried chicken. And if you really want to find it and get some, here is the barcode. So all you got to do is pause that, go on your Google machine and type in that number, and it should pop up. The other thing I seasoned it with was this, and this is a company that I used to work with. I still would if I could, but it's called New Tech Food Science. They make this stuff called Salt for Life, and it's a combination of sea salt and potassium chloride, and it is frickin' bomb stuff. And if you are one of those people that's really worried about sodium, you need to check that stuff out, stat, because you'll be impressed with the stats on it. I think it's like a large percent less sodium. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Alert, alert. Egg problem. Oh, you piece of crap egg. I'm gonna murder you. I'm gonna murder you. Egg murderer. That's me. I'm the egg murderer. I just murdered an egg. I'm gonna really murder it. I'll myrtleize it. How about that? Threatening eggs over here. I know, but I really like to make them look nice, and right there, that just was a total nightmare. I'm cursing the egg right now in the most extreme ways. I mean, if you can think of like the absolute worst curse words in the world, they're in my head right now. And with full anger and full aplomb. So, but I mean, okay, it came out okay. Rescinding anger protocol. And 0, 0, destruct 0, and auto destruct. There you go. That's better. Not a total loss, but still irritating. But yeah, I really like that salt for life, and I really like that pepper salt. I like pepper salt. I like that pepper salt. That pepper salt is good. And I like shichimi togarashi. Basically means seven peppers. You can find this pretty easily too. Just type in shichimi togarashi. Spell it like it sounds. And it's just like a little bit of spicy. A little bit of spicy. And then I've been going crazy apeshit with this chili oil, which I'll continue to do. Here's a little more apeshit to do. And yeah. So, let's find something a little more aggressive. Alright, let's get all up close and personal with this bowl. Alright! Time for some noodle rotation with Rotato. It's 2:12 in the afternoon here in Kenmore, Washington. Sometimes you gotta have a sandwich, but not today. Today you're having ramen. Alright, well, cool. Thank you very much to Tim and Tom over at Vite Ramen for shooting this stuff over in A. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. You can check them out at www.viteramen.com, viteramen.com. Have a good one. Peace out and bye.